In early summer, Metro Vancouver hosted an event in Burns Bog to highlight its achievement of corporate carbon neutrality. It's a balance of carbon emissions against reductions and credits, and Metro Vancouver has hit that high standard within its own operations.
We measure and report all the emissions from our buildings, our vehicles, our utility operations, and we've done what we can to reduce those emissions to the extent possible. There's also carbon credit projects that we invest in the region. The net result of that is to be net zero or carbon neutral.
Some of the carbon credits were from Metro Vancouver's peat bog restoration, done in partnership with the City of Delta.
A healthy bog has the ability to sequester and retain thousands of tons of CO2 every year. Similarly, recent major parkland acquisitions sequester carbon as well and protect those ecosystems, as well as helping people connect with nature.
Other carbon footprint reductions include electrification of Metro Vancouver's corporate fleet, energy-efficient boilers and heaters in housing projects, and innovative construction methods like trenchless tunneling. Metro Vancouver is also working to guide carbon emission reductions beyond its own operations.
While the corporate emissions of Metro Vancouver and our member jurisdictions represent a very small portion of the regional total, but every reduction counts. Reducing local government emissions demonstrates leadership and commitment to a better future for us all.
Metro Vancouver is developing a long-term strategy which aims to bring carbon neutrality and resiliency to the whole region.
A really critical part of Climate 2050, in addition to what we call mitigation or reducing the greenhouse gas emissions, is to make sure that we also have adaptation measures in place.
The policy's vision is to be extensive and bold.
So we're out actively consulting on issue areas like buildings, transportation, energy, infrastructure, human health and well-being, nature and ecosystems, and we want the public's feedback. What are the big innovative things that are going to help us get to a carbon neutral region by the year 2050?
To learn more and bring your own voice to the table, visit metrovancouver.org/climate2050.